Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode here at the OBS Nation. Want to kind of talk about some upgrades that I did here recently with the Anzo headlights. Got to tell you, they are pretty sharp. I really enjoy them a lot, especially at night. Definitely a lot brighter than the stock ones for sure. Kind of want to go over some tips and tricks on installing these guys. So when you first get started on your stock setup, you'll have those two screws on the top there you need to take off. And then inside the core support, you'll have two nuts, 7/16. The outer ones on both of mine were pretty simple coming off. The inner ones on both sides were stripped out in there and got stuck in the core support. One of them come out pretty easy. This side was pretty much rust welded in there on the nut. I had to Dremel it off to get it out of there. It wasn't too awful bad, but just added some more installation time. You may or may not have that issue depending on the situation of your bolts and nuts and your core support there. But once you get those two taken off, you'll come over here and remove your rubber stripping off of here, and then you'll have these two clips on each side of your headlight itself. Now, whenever you take these off, they're probably going to be rusty and damaged and just fall apart when you take them out. So I would recommend just ordering some before you even start the job. This is the only one of the 4 that survived. I ordered a pack of these on Amazon. I believe it was a pack of 6 for $8. I'll post all the links in the description for sure. So you definitely want to get that in hand before you begin the project. Some local stores sell them. I just ordered them on Amazon because it had, with my Prime, it had next day free shipping. On this side, actually on both sides, you do have quite a bit of room to get in here to get these bolts out, but it's just way easier and saves time if you just take off these 2 bolts here, set your reservoir tank on top. That'll give you plenty of room. This side's a little bit different. You got to take off your battery tray. For the amount of room that it gives you, I would recommend taking off. Just takes a couple minutes to get that taken off. Once you get those taken off, I'll show you the 2 locations here where you'll insert your extension in your socket and get this to focus here. And here are the 2 locations. As far as the installation goes, it's pretty simple except for that one bolt getting stuck in the core support. I really like the lights a lot. One kind of downfall to the lights themselves, a kind of a design flaw, would be where the adjustment screw is for the lights. I'll post the picture here so you can see that. This is the screw that you angle it up and down with. There's no left or right, just up and down. So there is no access to this adjustment through the core support. There's no hole unless you drill one. So I probably took these in and out 8 to 10 times to get the good alignment on the bulbs for the headlights. So keep that in mind whenever you put these in. Whenever you put them in, I would recommend you or someone else just holding them in place, barely putting in the clips at the top to kind of get a safe estimate of where they're going to hang on your truck, and then gauge where that beam is, on your garage door, or flat surface with a wall that you can adjust it on. But outside of that, they perform very well. They do really well at night. They look awesome at night. I'll post a video here at the end of what they look like at night. But outside of that, they are definitely very nice on the truck. Gives it a nice modern update. But if you have any questions at all, just post it down in the comment. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. I'm going to be restoring this whole truck, so definitely subscribe and follow along with the progress. Thanks for stopping by.